Hey, welcome back to my channel. I'm Anna from brandedbossbabe.com, and I'm on a mission to help you create a stunning online presence that brings you more sales, subscribers, and clients. In today's video, I'd like to talk about four ways to build trust on your website. The number one way to build trust on your website is with testimonials. There are numerous statistics online that show that people trust online reviews and testimonials as much as they do personal recommendations. Not only that, but testimonials have the ability to create positive influence and positive image around your brand. And they also are one of the most effective ways to convert strangers into subscribers, leads, clients, etc. So if you have testimonials, you want to include them on your website. A few places that would be good for testimonials include your homepage, your services page, and you can also devote an entire page on your website to nothing but customer testimonials and then link to it in your main navigation. The second way to build trust on your website is by including logos of places where you've been featured or where you've been published. This adds another layer of credibility and shows that you know your stuff, and it also, when you associate yourself with a brand that's more known, it also shows that if they trust you, then I should trust you. So it creates that powerful domino effect, and you basically want to tell them, hey, this place has featured me, they've published my stuff because I'm good, and you should trust me too. So it instantly builds your authority. So if you have those logos, you definitely want to include them on your homepage. Another way to build trust on your website is by including case studies. According to that same statistic above, case studies are one of the most powerful content marketing methods for establishing your authority, building trust, and increasing the conversion rate on your website. They are an excellent way to showcase your expertise by explaining in depth your process and why you chose to do certain things the way you do. And if you have them, it also allows you to showcase the results that you got for your clients. So if you've, for example, spent 3 months coaching another creative entrepreneur, and you can give them directly the before and after of how they were before they came to work with you, and the results that you got them during that coaching period that transformed their business or their life afterwards. You can show that in your case study, which basically tells people that you know how to get results and you have proof to back it up. And finally, another way to, the fourth way to boost credibility on your website, to build trust on your website, is by adding a blog. Now, I know what you're thinking, blogging is time consuming, blogging takes forever and a day, but here's the thing. Blogging helps you with SEO because Google and Bing and other search engines love websites that are updated on a regular basis. Not only that, but businesses who blog usually attract 67% more leads than businesses who don't. So if that's something you'd like to see in your business, I would definitely recommend blogging as one of your content marketing strategies. Now here's the thing. If you're not a natural writer and you don't feel like writing, and writing takes you forever and a day, perhaps you can consider using podcast as a method of having a blog, or basically audio posts. If you don't like podcasting or recording just your voice, and if you're great on camera, consider using videos as your primary blog content. Another way to introduce blogging to your website is to repurpose any Facebook Lives or Instagram Lives that you have done and turn them into blog posts. Or if you have longer blog posts, you can turn those into blog posts. Or if you have longer social media posts on platforms like Facebook or Instagram or LinkedIn, you can turn those into blog posts that are on your site. So it doesn't have to be a long, time-consuming process. You can repurpose a lot of content that you already have. And it doesn't have to be super polished. I mean, nobody's expecting Hollywood type effects in your videos. All you really need is good lighting, good camera, and good microphone, and you should be good to go. Now, if you need a little help with your website, or if you want me to show you how you can implement these and 5 other tricks on your website that will help you get more sales and subscribers, be sure to head on over to my website, brandedbossbabe.com, and download my website conversion checklist. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up so I know to create more videos like these. And if you want to be notified of every new video that I publish, be sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon for instant notifications. That's it for today, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, you stay awesome.